economic, fast and effective method to introduce and develop your business. Email marketing. When you design a process to introduce your product or services to customer, in fact, you are doing marketing. And if your marketing goes through the internet, we can call it digital marketing. Therefore, websites, social media, and all related topics could be a part of your digital marketing plan. Except have a updated content and other digitalized tricks that it's not our topic for today. There are some ways that help us to draw our customer attention, product and services. I talk about the tools that it could be very helpful and important for us to introduce ourselves to other businesses. Email and message marketing is exactly what we are looking for, but how it works. Before talking about email marketing, I'd like to draw your attention to this point. When we talk about email marketing, email advertising is not our target, and they are not same. In advertising, we have also a predefined message to introduce ourselves. And about email advertising process, there are some email message platform and software as an operator. And after prepare a list of potential customers' emails, operator send them an introduction message on behalf of your company. And for this job, you just need a website and email advertising platform. There are many companies that work with this type of platform, but I don't suggest you, because even if one of the customers report your account as a scammer's account, all of your emails get banned. I mean, you can't send message again with your previous website address, and you need to change your website. But about email marketing. In email marketing and message marketing, sooner we have asked customer if they would like to receive our message and news. The target of email marketing is being in touch with customer. I mean, keeping connection fresh, and as a remembering that we can help your business with our services, events, news, and special days in your country, and even customer celebrations on calendar could be a reason to leave them a message. But how will you measure the effectiveness of email marketing for your organization? This is where KPI, key performance indicators come into play. Before setting any goals for your email marketing, you will need to choose an appropriate performance metric to measure. KPIs measure your performance against your goals and indicate whether or not you have been successful to achieving them. As a reminder, all of your marketing goals should be SMART goals and target, meaning that they are specific, measurable, relevant, and time-bound. When you set your SMART email marketing goals, you will find that KPIs are important piece of the puzzle. But the best email marketing KPIs to track for your campaign. The first one is bounce rate. Bounce rate is a percentage of email addresses that filed to receive your email. Second one is open rate. Your open rates refer to the number of times your emails were opened compared to the total number sent. Next one, opens by device. Open by device tells you the number of times your email was opened, broken down by device type. You will be able to determine whether your subscribes opens your emails via desktop or mobile phone. Number 4, CTR or click-through rate. CTR is a measure of how many users have clicked on the links within your email after opening. Number 5, conversion rate. Your email conversion rates measure how many subscribers both click on a link in your email and took the desired action, made a purchase or submitted a form. Number 6, unsubscribe rate. Your unsubscribe rate takes a look at how many contacts opted out of receiving your emails in the future. Number 7, list growth rate. The opposite of unsubscribe rate is your list growth rate. Your list growth rate tracks the rate at which subscriber list is growing. If your list is growing, you're successfully gaining more subscribers than you're losing. The next one, return on investment or ROI, is a measure of how many revenue you have generated through your email marketing in comparison to how much you spent, and tells you whether your email marketing efforts are profitable for your organization. Currently, email marketing has one of the highest ROI in the industry, averaging a return of $44 for every $1 spent. Revenue per subscriber. This is an important metric as you are able to identify how valuable your current subscriber are to your organization. And the last one, revenue per email. In addition to a revenue per subscriber, you will also want to know the revenue that each individual email generated. This is referred to as a revenue per email. These are just a few of the many email marketing KPIs that exist. Choose the metrics that make the most sense for your organization and use them to develop your SMART goals for your strategy. What about email marketing software and platform? As an example, I would like to introduce HubSpot and DataBox. I will mention their links in the caption, but suggest you to take more time to find appropriate tools. In future and as soon as possible, I will make second part of this video and topic. We will check one of these email marketing software to see how it works. If you would like to following our video series and support us, don't forget to click on subscribe button and bell. With another important topic, I will come back to you.